Hello and welcome to our office. I'm Dr. Tal Raviv. As a cataract and refractive surgeon, I'm dedicated to helping you restore and rejuvenate your vision. At our initial evaluation, we take you through each step of the journey from our testing area to the exam room and scheduling. If you're a candidate, we provide you with dates for each eye, typically 1 to 2 weeks apart. When choosing a cataract surgeon, you want someone who is compassionate, ethical, and highly experienced. With over 20 years of experience, I'm proud to have earned the trust of doctors, healthcare executives, and insiders in ophthalmology. Cataract surgery may sound routine, but it's important to remember that every procedure has its nuances. With over 17,000 cataract surgeries under my belt, I have experience in every type of eye and every type of cataract. Our goal with modern-day premium laser cataract surgery is not just to correct the cloudiness of your vision. We want to restore and even transform the focus of your eyes and decrease the need for glasses. We use highly customized intra-ocular lenses to match and correct your eye's natural imperfections such as astigmatism or farsightedness. Thank you for considering me as your cataract surgeon. We look forward to providing you with world-class care and giving you the gift of clear vision.